Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll start. So by the way, as discussed last time, no, about our course outline, of which, as presented, this will be your first topic or discussion about the earthquake engineering or the CA 425, no, the causes of earthquakes and faulting. So So before we will start our discussion about the analysis or designs, considering the seismic or the earthquake loads, no, so which is uh, one of the highlights why we need to tackle or why we need to discuss or consider earthquake engineering as one of your courses, no, or your subject for civil engineering profession, no. Before that, of course, uh, any discussion or any we will start with the causes, no, so we will first understand why the earthquake happens, so unsay mga causes niya, and unsay effect or unsay consideration or why do we need to uh, understand about the faulting. So as stated here, it is important to understand the nature of earthquake for us to or to understand further the effect on structures, no, so and consequently to develop rational methods of their analysis. So as what I've said earlier, before na to siya uh, i-incorporate sa design, no? So we will first understand the causes, no? So we will first understand uh, the nature of earthquake. So asa nagikan, when siya possible where siya possible ma-occur, then unsay mga consideration about the earthquake or the nature of earthquake. So for us to further understand the or I mean the effect of its, no, or the effect on the structures, no. So earthquake can occur as the result of uh, activities such as tectonic movement. So pwede siya, the earthquake causes, it may be a natural or man-made activities, no? So pwede siya nag-cause or is a result of series of activities or may it be a natural activities or due to natural calamities such as or mga inevitable, no, so di nato malikayan mga tectonic movement or volcanic activities, cave collapse, or pwede po siya man-made explosion which is caused again by, so pasabot dili lang caused by the nature, no, so pwede po ta natural causes or man-made explosions and the filling of reservoir. So what is the definition or how will we define the earthquakes, no? So earthquake, so an earthquake can be described as the sudden intense shaking of ground, no? So kan mga sudden intense, so that from by definition itself ingon sudden, no? So that means uh wala tay capacity or kanang capability to predict paano siya sa mo exist, no? So except for kaning mga man-made, no, nga kanang kita ang nagbuhat. So for example, man-made explosion, no. So but kung based sa natural causes is sudden lang gid siya nga intense shaking of the ground. So that means so that means wala tay we cannot predict kung nasa siya mo exist, no. So what causes an earthquake, no? So as discussed earlier, so the earth is made up of tectonic plates that constantly move. So that means, no, ga-move na siya. Dili na to makita pero ga-move gid itong mga tectonic plates, no. So as the plate moves, they causes stresses on the earth's crust. So which is the outermost layer of the earth, no, kaya tong earth's crust. So the stresses build up, and when the earth's tectonic plates become struck, creating cracks on the earth's surface, known as fault. So eventually, this pressure is suddenly released, causing the earth to shake or the earthquake. So pasabot na no. Since constantly man ga-move ang atong plate tectonics, no? I mean mga tectonic plates, I mean. So natay mga plates nga ga-move constantly. So if kani siya, magsige ni siya bangga, no? So it can cause pressure diri nga portion, no? So that means kani nga pressure can cause or move any movement also can cause cracks, which is called as uh, mag-crack nga tong earth surface, which is called as the faults. So that means diri sa fault nato makita mostly or dira gyud mag-build up no ang mga stresses. So if nag eventually if kani mga stresses diri no or a pressure, so since siya move, so sige bangga no. So for example in downward direction ni isa, then this one is in upward direction. So there are portion sa earth surface nga mag-build up ang iyahang mga stresses diri no. So if that's the case no, eventually the pressure is suddenly released no. So that means kung sobra na kaayo ang pressure diri nga portion, ma-release na nga pressure that can cause no kani nga portion diri no, that can cause the earth to shake or can cause the earthquake no. So that means diri nga portion is na diri ma-build up ang mga stresses. So mag-cause siya og mag-shake ang earth. So that means mao pud nang for this discussion we will not only tackle about the causes no. We will also tackle about the faulting or katong mga fault lines. Kay again as stated here no. So kung asa magsige sa mga boundaries or sa atong mga tectonic plates nga ga-move. So between anang mga movement no, so magbangga. So that means mag-create siya og cracks which is the fault. So that means ang mga pressure or katong mga nag-build up nga stresses kung magsigig move atong tectonic plates is mag-exist siya sa fault lines or sa mga faults no kung asa atong mga cracks. So that's the essence why we need to tackle both the causes and the faulting no. So for this discussion kay again the causes ato ang earthquake also exist or mahitabo siya sa mga fault lines or sa atong mga faults 'no. Ay sorry. So another causes of an earthquake 'no. So majority of the earthquakes in the world occur in the area known as the Pacific Ring of Fire 'no or Ring of Fire. So countries surrounding this ring are placed on plate boundaries. Or tectonic plates, no? So that means, no, so as what I've said earlier, sa mga boundaries or sa ato mga boundaries plate, of the tectonic plates, kasagaran ay ga-occur gid ang ato ang or ga-start ang ato ang earthquake, no? So if the countries nga nagsurround ana, which is diri, no, as these plates move, the earth shakes, no? So diri kasagaran nag-start no ang ato ang earthquake, no? So there are also a large amount of volcanoes and tsunamis in this area of the earth. So no, isa siya sa mga causes, no? Which is mga natural causes of an earthquake, no? So since diri usually na diri ato ang mga volcanoes. So also if ang atong volcano nag-erupt sa ilalim sa tubig no. So again it can cause tsunami no or sudden increase or sa level sa I mean sudden increase of level sa water no kung if ma-disturb or mag-cause or mag-start ang atong volcanic eruption sa underwater no. So also one mga facts what we need to consider in about the earthquake. So first is the seismic wave, no? So unsa ning mga types of waves? So as we go on with our discussion, so since this is just an introductory discussion, so we will start with the seismic wave, no? So natin mga different types of waves na slow, may mga P waves, no? So ato na siya isa-isahon tanan kung unsa na siya nga mga types of waves, then kung unsa iyahang intensity, no? Or unsa ba ang mas lessen, unsa ba ang mas ang effect niya in terms sa terms of intensity, and also as illustrated here, no? So the focus is the point inside the earth's crust where the earthquake started, no? So say for example, no, diri sa ato ang crust, dira nag build up ang pressure, no? Then dira na dayon ma-release ang the energy release that can cause the earthquake to start, or the earth that causes the earth uh or means sudden movement, no? So that means kaning si focus is inside the Earth's crust, no? So the exact point directly above sa tong focus is mo na siya si epicenter, or the point on the surface directly above the focus. So kani siya kaning nanagid siya sa tuang Earth's surface, no? So kani siya isa is nasa sulod. So directly above ni focus. So diri nag-start, ang atong makita is diri sa atong i-consider is ang atong epicenter, no? So, for example, epicenter is at this municipality. So dira nag-start, no. So kung asa yang location at Earth's surface, no. So the energy is released from the earthquake in seismic wave, no. So gikan sa focus padulong siya sa tong epicenter, then dili din siya mag-cause of movement due to or caused by the seismic wave, no. Again, as mentioned earlier, natin mga different types of seismic waves, no. So depende siya kung slow, kung primary, so ato siya isa-isa nag-tackle kung saan nga mga seismic waves. Then, so we're done with the causes, no? So unsay hinungdan niya, may it be a man-made or natural causes, no? So when we say man-made, katong mga man-made explosion, no? So ang mga natural causes is due to uh, the movement or the movement of tectonic plates, no, that causes stresses mga boundaries which can cause the earth's surface to crack nga mao to nga na dayoy faults, no. So therefore unsa to i-identify nato karon kung unsa ni mga types of faults, no. So the constant movement of the earth creates cracks, no, so as stated earlier or as mentioned earlier, due to the constant movement of the Earth's crust, no, or the tectonic plates. So due to those movements, mag-create taog, it creates cracks, no, on surface that affect the landscape. So kaning mga cracks are called as the faults, no. So by definition, fault is a crack or fracture on the Earth's surface between two blocks of rock, no, or two blocks of. So it is a result of rock displacement over time, no? You say this one, no, as illustrated mo na siya si fault, no? So this one is the slip. Sorry. Slip is the distance rock move along the fault, no? So for example kanino, so ato i-discuss unya isa-isa mga different types of fault, din asa si slip ug asa si dip. So dip is the angle of the fault, no? So from a natural ground nga ingani, no? And then na sudden movement, so therefore naano siya dili na pantay ang atoang ah, earth surface, no. So nanatay faults nga nag-exist na portion nga na this one is na siya sa top portion, and this one is nasa ubos, which is ah so for the different types of faults, no, we have the normal fault, no. So from here we have the so example na patay, same pa or level atong earth surface kung wala pa nag-move atong mga in terms sa boundaries. So kung wala pa move atong mga tectonic plates, so mo pa ni siya atong normal nga ground. So once your tectonic plates uh, moves, no, from kaning normal, Then the other portion is the other portion or the where the hanging wall drops down. So that means from a normal, no, normal lang state na ay isa is mo drops down relative to the foot wall. So say for example kani no, originally diri iya to ang level sa ato ang ah, surface. Then suddenly atong hanging wall is na drops down no. So that means ninaog siya no. So ni slide siya pababa. So therefore kani na portion due to the movement nga ni naog. So therefore nag-separate no from a straight nga ni. So na portion diri nga this one it will drops down no. So which is called as the hanging wall no. So relative to the foot wall. So that means wala ni nag-move si foot wall, ang ni-move lang ato is na-drop down si hanging wall no. So that is called as your so that can causes due to that movement can cause a normal fault no, which is diri kani nga portion. So next is the reverse or thrust fault. The reverse or thrust fault is where the hanging wall pushes up relative to the foot wall. So baliktad siya diri no. So from kani nga normal level ah ah, level sa ground, then naatay fault diri if ang movement sa atong hanging wall is ni saka. So that means pa-push ayun magtagbo ang or movement will towards each other ning duha no, kani si foot wall ug si hanging wall. Kay kani si hanging wall siya ang mo saka no. So from here siya ang so kaning from your fault nga na-create is si hanging wall ang ni saka. Constant lang gyapon or relative to the foot wall. So that means wala nag-move ni si foot wall. Si hanging wall lang ang pushes up no. So that's why it is called a reverse or thrust fault no. So opposite siya kang normal fault no. It's
Sa saan po, friend? Ah,
okay. So for this section din no, wala pa meet it in person, I guess. Right level nga ground, ang movement is either upward on or downward. So this one is dili no. So parallel siya sa ato ang ground. So that means na ay shearing nga as long as ang iyang movement is parallel and horizontal. So padulong dito o padulong diri no. So that means ang atong makita sa fault is walay na sa taas, wala po'y nasa baba no. Same lang gyapon ang level pero ang movement niya is either parallel and horizontal no, rather than a upward and downward. So that means level lang gyud ato makita for a strike slip no. So igo lang dito siya mo slip no. So nalay slip within. So for example no, kung makakita tayo nga ni kalsada, then level pagyapon, then ay crack, then nag-move lang siya no, wala na na-align ang atong mga alignment gikan diri no. So from the original alignment padulong ani nga alignment is wala na nag-align. So that means you can pre-assess that it is a strike slip type of fault no. So next is the oblique no. So oblique is a combination of both upward and downward movement no. So an oblique faults have horizontal no and vertical movement. So that means kagaina mas application of both normal and normal reverse fault, then a strike slip fault no. So both duha ka bukya movement no, in downward and in upward or horizontal po no, to right and sa left. So therefore if makakita mo faults of which nga ang ito ang center line or atong alignment is wala na nag-align kay nag-move siya horizontally, then at the same time ang level sa ground kay dili tugtong. So dili pod tugtong ang level, so that means uh, it is an oblique type of fault, no? So it is both ang movements sa atong faults are both horizontal and vertical movement. So next is discussion is about the tectonic plate boundaries. So why do we need to discuss this one? No, other than the causes and the faulting, we need also to discuss this one as the faults. No, ang mga faults kay nag-exist siya kung asa ang mga boundaries sa ato ang mga tectonic plates. No, kay di ba dira man mag-move sa mga boundaries. So after mag-move ato mga plate tectonics, mga tectonic plates, I mean, so it which can cause stresses mo tong naay cracks, no, which causes a or mo to siya na nag-exist na ang faults, no, so or nandira ang mga fault lines. So therefore we need to understand kung unsa ni si mga type of boundaries, no, so kani siya is dinagko na siya, no, in general mga boundaries. So, say for example, in terms of sa plate tectonics, no? So, I mean, mga tectonic plates, no? So, natay three main types of tectonic plate boundaries. No? So, again, so the difference between this one and sa atong fault, kay atong fault, or katong mga cracks nga causes by the sudden movement of the tectonic plate, ay mag-create na siya or mag-exist siya kung asa ang mga boundaries, no? Kay if kung asa mga boundaries dito man may tendency nga mo move ato mga tectonic plates kay dito man siya causes of stresses.
Ibo ko sa inyong intense discussion.
So there are three main types. So first is the divergent boundary, next is the convergent boundary, then the conservative boundary. No, so ito is isa on or discuss what are these types of plate at so first is the plate moves apart causing small volcanoes and earthquakes, no, so say for example, so di ba mas dagko ning mga ginatawag nato nga boundary, no, kay boundary na gyud siya sa mga tectonic plates, unlike atong mga faults is nag-crack lang to siya due to the movement sa itong mga plate tectonics, which is na-locate siya kung asa ang mga boundaries. So that means dinagko na gini mga kani mga boundaries, no. So that with the divergent plate boundaries, the plate moves apart, no, causing small volcanoes and earthquakes. So say for example, no, so naatay kani nga tectonic plate, then another tectonic plate, no. So kung if this moves apart, no, so palayo, no, so therefore na ay sudden movement, no. So kani nga mga boundaries posible nga palayo pero kung tan-aw na to sa top view niya, no, in this direction and this direction ato mga boundaries. Pero for example paingana, no. So depende na din siya kung atong faults may it be a normal, I know. So pwede siya ah kadtong strike slip, no, or pwede pod oblique kung if it is a combination of horizontal and vertical. So as long as ang kaning divergent boundary is ang atong movement sa plates is the plates move apart, no, causing small volcanoes. So say for example, no, kaning nanada ay so if for example kani mo musip mo at the opposite, I mean the direction of the tectonic plates moves in opposite direction. So therefore, it can cause the creation of a volcano, no? Kaya mag-cause man siya og opening, no? From the crust, no? So that means mag-move siya. So it can cause earthquakes. Then also, mag-cause og volcano kay mag-move apart, no? Move apart ang ato ang mga plates. So mag-cause siya og opening, no? So mugawas tong mga heat gikan diri sa sulod. So that will create a small volcanoes, no? Small lang kay di ba pud nga nakadagko ang opening for the divergent boundaries, no? Kung dili kay nga nakalagyo. So these are the most common plates and are actually mostly found in oceans, no? So mo nang there are mga tag small volcanoes lang kay if nag-move ang ato ang mga tectonic plates na which is a divergent boundary. So in that case is kung sa since as stated no mostly found in ocean, so dili ra kayo dagko nga mga volcanoes siya ma-create kay again, di ba, water can stop no sa kadtong murag increase in temperature due to the sudden release of kani mga heat gikan sa ubos. So mapugnan siya sa water no, so dili kay taka-create og dagko nga mga volcanoes but still can create an earthquake no. So or sudden movement mo na di ba na there are some epicenters nga naa sa tubig no due to the again dira nag-cause ang naay mga fault lines dira no caused by the uh, divergent boundaries. No? Next is the convergent boundary. So unlike the divergent plates that are pulled apart, no? So the convergent boundaries move together, no? So that means, for example, kaning plate, no? Then this another plate, yung direction is paingani, no? So ang cause siya as they are pushing together, one plate ends up sliding under the other, resulting in huge volcanoes and earthquakes. No? So from here natin mga lalahi nga plate. So they are pushing together. So one plate ends up sliding under the other. So for example, originally kani ang original state no kani no pushing siya. So that means the direction of the movement of the plates is paatubang or kani mag-move together. So padalong siya. So in that case is magbangga sila, no? So if magbangga sila, so the other one is uh ano? So that means ano no? So that means ang isa is pasaka, ang isa is paubos, no? So the other as they are pushing together, one plate ends up sliding under. So pasaka ng isa. So that means it can create a huge volcano, no? Especially kung wala siya under sa water. So mag-cause gid siya og volcano. So imagine ninyo siya duha ka plate, no? Ngana. So ang ending ingana na iyahang forma causing a huge volcano. Unlike atong magbangga lang nga palayo sila duha, no? Kung palayo sila duha mogawas sa matong heat sa earth. So tag small volcanoes lang create. Unlike kung magbangga, so mag-create siya og another form or sa ato ang ah, normal nga surface, no? So which can create a huge volcano. So once again another movement, no? So imagine nimo duha ka boundaries nagbangga. So dili lang fault line, no, ang atong ma-create or cracks, no? So also I mean na dira sa atong fault line maigo kay naman dira atong mga boundary, I mean the fault line is located ko nga sa atong mga boundaries. So therefore if once nagbangga ng duha ka plates, so again it can create earthquakes, no, other than the huge volcano. Then lastly is the conservative boundary. So conservative boundary is the plates are also known as transform boundaries, no? So other term niya is it is so called as the transform boundaries. Kung dili conservative inyo mabasa, pwede siya matawag as the transform boundaries. So the reason for the conservative name, no, ano gitawag siya conservative boundary, is because they do not create a new crust, no? So they slide past each other, causing large impacting earthquakes as the result of all the friction of the plates rubbing together. So unlike magud aning duha, no, kani si convergent o si divergent. So there are tendencies nga mag-create siya og new nga mga crosses, no. So for conservative boundaries is dili siya ga-create og new cross, no. So for example, diba, imagine ninyo na ay duha ka boundaries nga nilagyo, no, kay in opposite direction man ay ang movement, no? So that means naglagyo na sila. So imagine na ninyo na ay gap. So therefore naay mo gawas dira no heat from the earth. So na pud siya yung bag-o na pud nga layers or kani nga crust no. So for the conservative boundaries, as the name itself no, conservative means they do not create any new crust no. So walay bag-o nga layer nga na-create, walay na form. So they slide past each other causing large impacting earthquakes as a result of all the friction of the plates rubbing together. So katong gingong giina no. So for example natay mga fault line no. So nag-cause siya diri og pressure. So due to the pressure nga sigig move, sigig bangga, so it can cause an impacting earthquakes no. So
Ano, nasa
in
printing.
that case is naa lang siya movement or nalay boundaries between that plate pero walay na-create no. So walay na-create nga volcano or walay na ah at walay small volcanoes or walay kani mga huge volcanoes na create no. So mo to siya ang mga three types of boundaries no. The divergent, convergent, and the conservative boundaries no. So there are these are the three types of boundaries. Again, napud tay mga types of fault. So again, as a review of this discussion no, ang atong the causes of the earthquake is mainly caused by the movement of the sorry class ah mainly causes by the tectonic plates movement no. So due to this movement mo na mag-start ato ang earthquake kay mag-build up siya og cracks no. So kana nga cracks, I mean mag-build up og stresses then mag-cause og cracks then kana nga cracks kay faults. Mao to gitawag na faults. Then asa na nag-exist atong faults due to movement sa duha ka tectonic plates nga tungod sa atong mga boundaries no, kay dira man magbangga atong mga boundaries between the tectonic plates no. So that means ang atong mga fault lines or atong mga faults is located mainly sa mga boundaries sa atoang, so in general mas dagko gid tong mga boundaries no. So at gagmay lang tong mga faults no. So pareha ra na sila nga mga ah, ah, mga boundaries no. So ang kaya again ang fault is found sa kung asa ang mga boundaries sa ato ang mga tectonic plates no. So imagine lang nato na siya nga kung dito ba tong based on the plate tectonics theory no. Ato lang gyud na siya i-discuss later no. So for example natay ah, buo pa nga plate tectonics, so natay mga lahi-lahi nga mga boundaries sa kalahi nga mga tectonic plate no. So inana. So diri na mo ni atong ginatawag nga ah, mga boundaries no. So may it be dagko kaayo or magagmay nga mga boundaries no ana. No, so depende siya no. So later as we go on with our discussion for this course, we'll proceed with the discussion of mga history of large, I mean uh, major earthquakes, international or the Philippines nga level. Or also we will discuss about the plate tectonic theory no. So for this one, this is just introductory discussion before we will finally do the analysis no, which is the consideration of the seismic no, or the other term for the earthquake load no, which is incorporate na to na yun siya later sa mga designs no. So kanusta siya na to i-incorporate o asa na to siya incorporate kasagaran. So as discussed earlier no, ang atong mga causes is due to the movement then sa mga faults. So that means dito ta sa faults mag-focus kung unsang mga structured na nay mga fault lines or nay mga faults dito kasagaran gi-exist ang earthquake. Kaya as mentioned last time, wa dili ta ka predict kanus mag-start ang earthquake pero at least kabalo ta asa siya mag-exist no. So dira atong focus in the analysis na dayon sa atong mga designs no, sa ato ang kung asa ang mga fault lines or asa ang mga faults no. So that ends our discussion for today. So since I have used your time for laboratory no para sa lecture, I will also give you no para di mo ma-delay sa other sections nga nanay mga laboratory. So kay kaniyata gyud nga section ang wala pa na ako na meet in person tungod sa mga schedules no nga dili Monday then katong taas nga walay klase no. So next week on Monday pa ta mag-meet in person pero since gigamit na to ato ang schedule for laboratory, I will also give you a laboratory activity, no, para makaapas mo sa other section. Pero this is just a definition of terms, no. So for you to at least be prepared on what are the terms nga pwede na to ma-encounter for the earthquake engineering course, no. So mohatag ko, this will also be uploaded sa inyong Google Classroom along with your activity, laboratory activity 1. So dili man pud karon ang deadline by dili 12 noon din, no. So ah sige ugma na lang, no. Tomorrow